Tired of wasting money on software? I'm guessing you're like me, always on the lookout for ways to save a buck. And if you're anything like I was, you're probably feeling like you're stuck between a rock and a hard place. You need certain software to get your work done, but the cost is just astronomical. I mean, who can afford to shell out $200 a month for a single tool? It's like, I get it, it's a necessary evil, but it's just so frustrating. You start to feel like you're being held hostage by these big software companies. They know you need their product, so they can charge you an arm and a leg. And you're just sitting there, thinking, is there a better way? Well, let me tell you, I've been in your shoes. I've been struggling to make ends meet, trying to find ways to cut costs without sacrificing too much. And then, one day, I stumbled upon something that changed everything. I discovered the world of free AI tools. I know, it sounds too good to be true. But hear me out. I spent weeks testing out different options, trying to find something that could replace my expensive software. And let me tell you, it wasn't easy. I tried 15 different alternatives, and most of them were just not good enough. But then, I found it. I found a free AI tool that could do everything my old software could do, and more. And the best part? It was free. I mean, think about it. $200 a month, gone. Just like that. It's like, I can breathe again. I can focus on my work, without worrying about how I'm going to pay for the tools I need. And that's when it hit me. This is not just about saving money. This is about freedom. This is about being able to pursue your passions, without being held back by expensive software. So, if you're feeling like me, like you're stuck in a rut, and you don't know how to get out, just know that there is a way. There are free AI tools out there that can help you, that can set you free. And I'm not just talking about any old tool. I'm talking about tools that are specifically designed to help you with your work. Tools that can help you automate tasks, tools that can help you create content, tools that can help you manage your time. The possibilities are endless. And the best part? You don't have to be a tech expert to use them. I mean, I'm not a tech expert, and I was able to figure it out. So, if you're feeling curious, if you're feeling like there must be a better way, then you're in the right place. Because I'm about to share with you my top picks for free AI tools that can help you replace your expensive software. And trust me, you're going to be amazed. From tools that can help you with writing, to tools that can help you with design, I've got you covered. So, let's get started, shall we? And explore the world of free AI tools together. You know, it's funny, when I first started looking into free AI tools, I was skeptical. I thought, there's no way these tools can be as good as the expensive software I'm using. But, the more I dug in, the more I realized. These tools are not just good, they're great. They're powerful, they're easy to use, and they're free. I mean, what more could you ask for? So, if you're ready to take the leap, if you're ready to start saving money, and start pursuing your passions, then let's do this. Let's dive in, and explore the world of free AI tools. And, as we go through this journey together, I want you to keep in mind. This is not just about the tools. This is about the freedom, the flexibility, and the possibilities that come with using free AI tools. So, are you ready to get started? And see what these tools can do for you? I know I am. And, I'm excited to share this journey with you. Because, I know that together, we can achieve great things. And, as we explore this world of free AI tools, I want you to remember. You're not alone. There are thousands of people out there, just like you, who are looking for ways to save money and pursue their passions. And, with these tools, we can do just that. So, let's get started, shall we? And see where this journey takes us. You know, I've been thinking. What if we could use these free AI tools to not just replace our expensive software, but to actually improve our work? What if we could use them to automate tasks, to create content, to manage our time? The possibilities are endless, and it's exciting to think about. So, let's dive in and explore the possibilities. And, as we do, I want you to keep in mind, this is not just about the tools. This is about what we can achieve with them. This is about the freedom, the flexibility, and the possibilities that come with using free AI tools. So, are you ready to get started? And see what we can achieve together? I know I am. And I'm excited to share this journey with you. Because I know that together, we can achieve great things. Thank you so much for watching. If this touched your heart or gave you the push you needed today, please like this video and subscribe to Rise and Narrate. Keep rising, keep moving forward. If you enjoyed this, there is more where that came from. Hit subscribe so you never miss a video. Until next time, this is Rise and Narrate. We'll see you soon.